Today I am cleaning a headstone for Mary Harriet Smith, born in Manchester, Virginia in 1883 and died in 1947 in Pennsylvania. Buried with her is her husband, whom she married August 19th, 1909, Reverend William Herbert Gray Sr., born December 17th, 1882, to Jackson Gray and Sarah, also known as Sally Winston. Buried with them is their son, Reverend William Herbert Gray Jr., born September 25th, 1911, and he died on January 26th, 1972. He was a reverend of Bright Hope Baptist Church. He was also a former president of Florida A&M University. He married Hazel Yates, and they also had a child named William Herbert III, who was a congressman from 1979 to 1993. I also attached documents and information, so I hope you guys enjoy.